Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to be discussed about Java JLabel. The object of JLabel class is a component of placing text in a container. It is used to display a single line of read-only text. The text can be changed by an application, but a user cannot edit it directly. It inherits JComponent class. So you can see here not here, you can say that this program writing here is JLabel. Okay, so now how we create a JLabel: import java x dot swing class, library, and then our class name here is JLabel. Now public static void and main method here, and then strings arguments. Okay, now j frame an object which is equal to new j frame, and then label example, then j label and label number 1 and label number 2, then label 1 which is equal to new j label, and this is called first label, and label 1 dot set boundaries, and which is 50, and 50, it's 50, 50, and the width here is 100, and the height is 350. Okay, now we just go to the second label. So I just copy this one, and here I just write, and this is capital frame. Okay, and now here I just write it is second label, and change the label name which is L2, and here I just write 50, 50, 100, and 30. Now I just call the object f dot add, or add the components here, which is L1. Okay, and then f dot add, and here L2. Now f dot set size, and the size here is 300, means it's a frame size, and 300, and then f dot set layout. So the layout here is null, so we have no layout, and then f dot set visible, which is true. Okay, now I just check the output. So you can see here, this is our first label, and this is our second label. You can see here. So this is a simple example of Java labels. So thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.